Sťahujú sa vo mne sivé mraky spravodlivých dní. Sťahujú sa ako vtáky na juh, keď chlad ich odistí. I'm Eva Berdechová. I'm from Slovakia and I represent Academy of Music and Performing Arts. I'm here for speaking about Slovak animation. I like history of Slovak animation, especially short animated films, because it is a different world in every film, different in every shapes and in every space, characters, the visual style. In past, they reflect political situation and socialism era, but today it is about our inner world. These films about this dark side, because enemy, now enemy isn't no. Ljubljana is a very nice city, is small but big too, and I like it very much. I think that Kinoteka is something similar like in Slovakia Institute of Film. There is archive and some publications about film.
Imamo še kakšen program?
V Kinoteki je več programov festivala Animateka. Med drugim mislim, da tudi slovaška retrospektiva, pa nekateri celovečerni filmi. Ta osrednji del je tradicionalna zgodovinska retrospektiva, ki se ukvarja z literaturo oziroma nastaja po nekih literarnih predlogah. Gre dostikrat za besedila, ki jih večinoma poznamo recimo, in je potem zanimivo gledati, kako te posamezne animacije vzamejo pač ta tekst in kaj iz njega naredijo.
Sej tudi ostale stvari vedno črpajo tudi iz drugih. Filmi so posneti po velikih literarnih delih, pesmi in tako naprej. Vedno so ljudje, ki bodo črpali svoje ideje, svoj navdih tudi iz nečesa, kar je že nastalo in kar pač v bistvu vse nas navdihuje. Poleg tega imamo pa v Kinoteki tudi razstavo Joanne Quinn, ki se imenuje kako že res? V šoli, ja?
Tu bo.
Kako si? Gibljive podobe, a so gibljive podobe?
I first did barrel when I was at college, and there was a woman who was working in the refectory who looked very like her in the cafeteria. And she looked like Barrel, but I think as well it's a bit of my mum too. My mum doesn't look like her, but I think the character is my mum, somebody who, she had to struggle quite a lot, my mum, but she was always laughing and she never troubled me with her problems, and I think Beryl is a little bit like that.
My name is Joanna Quinn and I'm an animator from Britain. I'm here in Animateka because I'm on the jury judging delicious films. I've always been a drawer. I love to draw. I'm terrible at maths. I know nothing about science. Languages, I'm awful. But drawing is the only thing I can do.
Kilo Pravda, film truth.
I think they relate to people. People like my films because they're funny and deal with ordinary people, and people recognise themselves in the films. I got given a prize, the Leonardo da Vinci Prize, for my film Britannia, which is all about British imperialism. It's a bulldog that represents Britain and goes around the world and does terrible things in 5 minutes. And yes, we had to go to Buckingham Palace, and Prince Philip handed me this, it's a big sort of certificate with his name, Philip, on it. And he said, "Oh, is this for a film?" And I said, "Did you see it?" And he said, No, I haven't seen it. What's it about?" And I said, "Oh, it's about British imperialism." And he went, "Oh." And then the man who had organised the whole thing stepped in and said, No, it's about dogs. I was an only child, so I drew all of the time on my own in my bedroom, and my mum, looking back, must have been a bit hippie-ish because she allowed me to draw on the walls in my bedroom, which if my daughter tried to do. And so I knew I wanted to draw, and I thought I wanted to do comics. And I remember doing the drawings. They said, he told me how many drawings I had to do and to make it move a little bit each time. And then when I filmed it and I played it back on the video and the dog was actually walking, I just thought, oh, this is the best thing ever. It was just completely magical, being able to make something come alive. That was it. I had the bug then, so I've done nothing else since. She always looks slightly sort of unsure. Her earrings. She's a bit overweight. Necklace. She always looks sort of perplexed. I'll put her in a bikini because it's snowing outside. Oh, maybe it is snowing. She's worn the wrong clothes. She wasn't ready for the snow.